You will have received an email directly from Circle.So. The title of the email will say Dr. Espinoza has invited you to join the Systems Alignment Innovation Hub community on Circle. Please check your spam or your junk mail. This could easily be filtered to there. Here on your email, have your name where it says testing here, and you'll just accept the invitation. Once you do that, it'll direct you to a new page. And on that page, it'll prompt you to start populating your profile. Really, you just need to populate your full name, like you could just be the name you go by, your time zone, and this will help when you see events that'll translate into your time zone. A headline, tell people your role, maybe your org, and a little bit about yourself. Think about it this way. People could look at your profile and see this information about you. So they'll want to know, like, why would they connect with you? So maybe you want to write a little bit about your organization, your research methodology, your focus population, just stuff that you'd want to connect and network with. Remember that this circle will be used not just with SAIH grantees, but also Systems for Action and Evidence for Action. You can choose to fill out the rest of this, or you can come back to it later. And then you'll want to toggle the show my profile in the member directory so that people can find you, or you can skip for now. And then once you do that, you will have entered the Systems Alignment Innovation Hub Circle community. On here, you'll see upcoming events, trending posts, and you can engage with it. It works very similar to Facebook or Slack. And the more we use it, the more that we can either create more community spaces. But the one thing you do really want to find here is grant opportunities. We'll be posting them there, announcements, as well as you'll also want to know where the live events are. So when there's an event, you'll sign in and it'll show you when the next event is. So, for example, the next one to be on Circle will be the logic models. You can RSVP, and this will send you an email with the link to the live room. So, it'll automatically send you an email that you registered with, and on there, you can add it to your calendar and it'll have the link. That's all it takes.